Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to install Ubuntu Core on Intel NUC. At this point we're looking at some of the advantages of a NUC. Intel came up with a design of compact devices called Next Unit of Computing or NUC, which offers almost the same performance as the larger setups. This made Intel a leader in the market as the device is more flexible, portable and cost effective. Intel, however, is not the only company to produce compact computers. Apple also produces Mac Mini, which of course far exceeds the cost of Intel NUC. An alternative to Intel NUC is a Raspberry Pi, which was already explained in the previous videos. So is a NUC really the right compact PC for your needs? NUCs are compact yet powerful. Just because the NUC is small doesn't mean that it is not a fully featured device. Most of the newer models can support up to 16GB of RAM with a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, so you can be rest assured you'll get what you need from it. An overview of the components that will be needed. First, a supported Intel NUC. Supported models are listed below. A monitor with HDMI ports, a USB keyboard and a mouse, 2 flash drives. With all this said, I will first of all have to flash the Ubuntu Desktop Live CD image on my USB flash drive using my laptop. So the first thing is to download extra software, download Ubuntu Desktop Live CD and the Ubuntu Core image for NUC. After downloading this, I will extract the extra file from the zip folder, which I will now click on to launch the UI. The first option is to select the image, where I will go forward and select the Ubuntu Desktop Live CD that was already downloaded. So the next thing is to click on Flash, where I will be asked to input my password, which I've just did, and now the process begins. It will take some time, but it's just to be patient, for it will complete within no time. That's it, it's completed. So the next thing now is to insert this flash drive. I've already flashed Ubuntu Desktop Live CD into it on my Intel NUC, the monitor connected to it using the HDMI cable, the keyboard and the mouse. At this point I'll start the NUC and I'll push the F10 button to enter boot menu. Click on Try Ubuntu without installing. Now that the Ubuntu session has started, the second USB flash drive containing Ubuntu Core image is inserted. I will now go and click on the terminal, open the terminal and type in this command to find the NUC's internal hard drive. I have to reboot the system to complete the installation process. So that's it. Press enter to configure. Here the network and administration account configurations is performed. Internet connection is needed to connect your laptop and the NUC. For the network connections, like to set up the network configurations, since I'm using a wireless LAN, like a wireless network, I will connect to my Wi-Fi. I will set up a static address for IPv4, while I won't set up any for IPv6 configurations. When setting up the static address for IPv4, I had to manually enter the address for my subnet, address, gateway and the name server. After this, I will go ahead and click on Done. Also ensure you already have an Ubuntu Core account with SSH keys configured, else follow the link below for a previous video on how to create it. So after all this, I have to enter my email address so as to connect my Ubuntu account to the NUC. So since I already had an Ubuntu One account, I can now connect the NUC device from my laptop, which is SSH my username and IP address. Entering this, now connect to the internal NUC, and that's it. Ubuntu core has been installed.